Hello, this is Ede from Italy, and today I present you the spiciest pasta recipe of whole Italy. Pasta arrabbiata. First I cut up all the ingredients. I use dried chili pepper to make the dish spicy. Then I saute onions at first to get them brown. After that, for short time, garlic. I deglaze only with the canned tomatoes and simmer for a few minutes with lid on. Then I spice with salt and pepper and sugar. And simmer for a few minutes again. After that, I spice with paprika powder and dried chili pepper. I need no more spices. After simmering, I added last the olive rings. Then I prepare the pasta. After stated boiling time, I drain the pasta and mix it with the arrabbiata sauce. Then I stir a few times on lukewarm stovepipe, and at last a bit grated parmesan. That's it, a happy meal. Yours, Ede.